Hello student, today we will learn English lesson number 1.5, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hand. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hand was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitation. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her student made a copy of it. Here is an example of what they did. So, in New Vision English, in New Vision High School, everyone was busy. Why? So, the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand was scheduled to take place next week, and it was getting late because they have not prepared any invitation card for inviting the guest. At last, what the principal did? The principal herself prepared the formal invitation. Formal invitation is in that hi, hello, like these words are not used. Professional words are used. Hmm? Respected words are used. Formal invitation is given to respected person. So respectful words we have to use for giving formal invitation. So for preparing this formal invitation, principal has taken the help of the art teacher and her student made a copy of it. So one formal invitation principal has prepared, and the copies of that invitation the students and the art teacher made. So let's see how was the invitation. So in such type the formal invitation principal has prepared. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project. Now inauguration means opening ceremony. Udghatan in Hindi we say. Of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. At the hand of Shrimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. President of Sahayak Samaj. So this inauguration was supposed to be done by Srimati Vimla Naik. She was the former principal of this school, and she was the president of Sahayak Samaj also. Then who else are there in the formal invitation? Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. So even Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, he was the dean of this hospital, he was also invited for this function. And what time? So 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venus. So which place this program was supposed to be organized? So Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Then who was the principal of this school? Who is giving the invitation? So Suhasini Ambekar. She is the principal of New Vision High School. And teacher in charge V.S. Ajinkya, teacher in charge. SEH, that short form is given of the school. Then Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, student secretaries. So this type of formal invitation principal had made. Now also a notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function. So, school is having a notice board. So, one notice was prepared. It was different from the formal invitation. So, in block letter, notice is written, student of standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project I Seeing Helping Hand at the hand of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and president of Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Timing is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9 July 2017. Winners Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. So this is a written notice which has been put on the school notice board. Now teacher made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of such telephonic conversation. So the receptionist, hello Girgaon Times. Teacher when gave invitation on phone. So the receptionist said, hello Girgaon Times. Teacher said, good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your new editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist said, yeah, just a second. Teacher said, thank you. Then news editor said, hello. Then the phone was transferred to news editor. He said, hello, Mr. Ajink. Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher said, fine. How are you? News editor said, fine. Then teacher said, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor said, 1 second. No. News editor said, I see. Then teacher said, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibility. It would be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all school to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. So here the teacher had request news editor to come and join their function and means to publish that news in their newspaper also. News editor said, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. But as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher said, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor said, fine. I have made a note of it. Teacher said, thank you very much. So this invitation is an oral invitation. So whenever we give invitation on mobile or phone, so that type of invitation is called what? Oral invitation. Now the students had passed on the message. Student passed on the message to their parent. Here's a sample. So, Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. Mummy said, what's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. There's a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? Where it is? So their parents asked him where it is. In the school assembly hall. He said in the school assembly hall only. How long will it be? About an hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Parents are asking the student, what's this project is about? What? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for other, turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? So parents are asking him, their child, so you are going to participate in it, aren't you? He said, yes, mummy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. So parents said, we both cannot come, but among our two, one at least we will come. One of us will surely come. That would be nice because Mr. Ajink has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. So the students tell his parent that would be nice because Mr. Ajing, the teacher, has specially asked all the teacher to tell their parents about this function. So this type of invitation is also what? Oral invitation. So very beautiful this lesson. So now the exercise. This you have to write in the notebook. If you have workbook, complete your workbook also. So the meanings are there. Inauguration, an official ceremony to mark the beginning of something. Invitee, person who is invited. Second, SEC in short form for second. Then schedule arrange for a particular time. Then solicit to formally ask for help. Preside to be in charge of a formal meeting or ceremony. Trend, a general direction in which something is developing or changing prominently in a way that many people will know about it. Next is the exercise. Read all four invitation carefully, keeping in mind the list of 8 questions given below. So the question is, who is sending, giving invitation? What is the program? What is the name of the project? Who will inaugurate it? Who will preside over the function? At what time will the function start? Where will it take place? How many names get mentioned in the invitation? And answer to this question are given below that you have to write accordingly. Next question is, verify that formal invitation A covers all the 8 points. Which of these 8 points are covered in the other invitation B, C and D? Put tick mark against the point that are covered in the following in the table given below. So this is the table. This you have to write it properly. How it is shown in the video, same way you have to write in your book. Next is language study. Write the plural of invitation, copy, responsibility, message, parents, invitees. Write the noun form of inaugurate, converse, participate. Write noun for the following ending in er or or to show the work or function or description of the person. Help, edit, visit, speak. Next is writing skill. Prepare a formal invitation for a function that you have arranged at home. It should it should clearly state the following point: who is inviting people to the function, what the program is, the date and time of the program, the winners, the place where the program will take place, a polite request to attend the program. So in this way you have to write the invitation. Mr. and Mrs. Desai cordially request the company of Kumar oblique Kumari dash dash with their parents on the occasion of the 12th birthday of their daughter Sonali Desai. So you can change the name, the address, the date, time. No present please, only your presence is required. So such type of note also you can write in that invitation, formal invitation. Write an imaginary telephone conversation in which you invite your friend to the above function. So when you talk with your friend, the conversation that you have to write. And the last question is, imagine someone has invited your family to a program and you were the only person at home when the invitation was given orally. So, two topics are given. Write a note of about 4 to 5 lines to pass on the message to the other member of your family, or write an imaginary conversation in which you pass on the message to your parents. So both are given here, note writing and imaginary conversation. See, note writing is given and imaginary conversation is also given. So all this you have to write in your notebook, and if you have your workbook then complete it and give your homework on my mobile number. Thank you so much for a day.